Coming into hospital for a knee replacement, we'll typically bring you in the morning of the operation. You'll have had assessment from anaesthetics and nursing staff at some point before the surgery. The operation itself happens in the operating theatre and it takes about an hour and a half in general, but you'll probably be in the operating department for maybe 3 hours in total. And you'll be groggy and reasonably comfortable after the operation, but as the anaesthetic wears off, there will be a requirement for pain relief, and patients can find that quite challenging. But we have lots of different modalities of pain relief available, and it's important that if you need pain relief that you ask for it. We wouldn't want your recovery after surgery and your ability to do the physiotherapy and to get up and walk around, which are critical for success. We wouldn't want that to be compromised because you weren't taking pain relief. So it's really important that you take the pain relief that's made available to you so that you can do the exercises that will help your recovery. And this applies as much in the hospital when you're in as it does when you go home afterwards. Typically nowadays you will spend maybe a day, maybe 2 days in the hospital, and at that point, if you have reasonable support at home, we will let you go home, and in most cases you'll still be using 2 crutches at that stage, and you'll be using a sheet of exercises that your physiotherapist or your occupational therapist will have gone through with you in the hospital, probably pre-operatively, but certainly in the post-operative period before you go home. And it's really important that you follow those instructions and any precautions that have been given to you around the position that you sit in, the position that you sleep in, a pillow between your knees and this kind of thing. These are all important to help you in the recovery period. The first couple of weeks will be challenging, especially if it's a knee replacement, where you will be expected to bend your knee and straighten your knee and lift your knee off the bed at a time when you'd probably much rather lie down quietly and not move it at all. But if you do that, your outcomes will be much poorer in the long run, and the operation will be something you will probably regard as unsuccessful. So it's really important that you engage with the physiotherapy exercise program that you've been given for the period of time between leaving the hospital and being seen again. The wound will usually require a visit to the GP for a review around between days 10 and day 14. Possibly there may be clips or staples or sutures to be removed depending what was used, but there will be a dressing to be checked and a wound to be reviewed, and typically then the next visit will be at 6 weeks or thereabouts for an x-ray to see if the outcome matches the outcome radiologically matches the outcome clinically. Typically you will make about 70% of your recovery in the first 6 weeks. So you'll come off crutches, you'll be allowed to drive again, you'll be less reliant on pain relief, but the rehabilitation of the muscles and tendons and ligaments around your hip or your knee takes much longer, especially if you've had the disease going on for a number of years. So a full recovery in most cases will take up to 12 months and will depend on you continuing to exercise and get the best out of it. But you will make a lot of that recovery in the first 6 or 7 weeks, and you will be probably back at work in most cases by that time, unless it's a very physical job where you might need a little bit longer.